Ozzie. Ozzie. Hey, Oz. Want to watch some hockey? There you go, buddy. Got your ball? Got your ball? There you go. What do you got? Is that your boys? Huh? Save! Come on, Hawks. Look, guys. Uh-oh. What happened? You want to watch hockey? Where's your boys, Oz? Here. Oh, you want to watch hockey again? There you go. We're back again. You liking that? Look, Oz, there they are. Here's your boy. What happened? What happened, Oz? Oh, did you drop your ball? You want to watch hockey again? There you go. Your boys are back. Tell them, Oz. We need your luck. Tell them. Here they come. Watch this, Oz. Are you having fun? Go Hawks, Ozzie. Go Hawks. Tell him, Ozzie. All right. We're going to do an Ozzie timeout so you can relax.